Ruby wants the bangs, so we're trying to give her some bangs. See if we can do this. Ruby wants the bangs, so we're trying to give her some bangs. See if we can do this.
Or it's a failure. No.
Where's your eyes? There's no turning back now.
Yeah.
I hope it's not too short.
I'm gonna sneeze with all the hair going to my nose. I see light.
Okay, hold on. Need more here.
I can't see anyway. It's so hot.
I don't know how far you're supposed to go out from here.
I can't see.
So long here. Stop looking at me. I'm not a mirror anyway. I don't know how far you're supposed to go out from the sides.
I think you got it.
Huh?
I think you got how far?
You see? God, your hair just naturally go back to that.
What?
You close the thing when I'm touching your eyes.
That's what I've been doing. I don't want any hair getting in my eyes. had hair going in my eyes when it was still connected.
Thing about is they don't look, even sometimes because when they lean towards he left,
Yeah.
then they turn shorter.
Yeah.
And then
I
if
saw
you-
that on TV where some of the people that have bangs, they would turn to the left.
Just stay. You need to kind of train it to go. Oh, hold on. You probably should cut that one too.
I wonder how Bill will react. Since she's so used to it. Since I always
Why are
like
you
have-
turning? I'm not asking you to turn. I need to access the sides. Yes. What are you doing? Do not do that. I did that on purpose so I can access it. And you do that. Alright, can you try to see if they're even, try to do the long ones behind you. I gotta remove some of this. Hold on. We'll see and see what
I think that's good.
what
I
that
like that
thinks
casing.
too, and then if we need to adjust it a little. Now clean your face before you do that. I'll do the thing. So that's a new Ruby here.
Hi. Well, I got my hair cut, bangs, from my mom over here behind the camera. And I've always wanted bangs. I've been waiting for days. So
Turn around, do a little. Oh, smile. Sideways. Oh, slow down. There, and then do a little side. Turn around.
side.
Like that.
I did a side.
Yeah, see? That's what I'm saying. Then you do a look there and then look slowly here. It's modeling, Ruby.
I don't know modeling. I know singing, not modeling.
Alright. Look on the side, and then look slowly here. And then other side. Like that. Look slowly here.
This is a slow.
Look at the camera. Then look down. And then look up.
My sister, usually she wraps her arms around me, but this time she like did the arms in front of her type hug.
Yeah, looks like one. There's a missing, thing in there. Should we cut it or?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's like glowing in my
Alright, we'll cut it. Alright.
I'm gonna cut this piece.